because right now he's just sleeping and he's walking away, sadly. Take this ball. And I'm going to throw it. And now, zoom in the ball. Looks more green. Okay. So, hey guys, Cooper's here again, once again. And this ball is so green that you can't see. Look at this thing. Look how green this thing is. It's crazy green. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, I want to show you a drawing that I did. And I want to show you how to fold a really good paper airplane. So let's get to it. I'm not actually set up for this, so this might take a little long. Just hang tight there, and I'll be there now. There's some things that I can't show you here. So okay, so now we're here. We just have to get something. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Here's the mirror. Okay. There we go. We've got the mirror. Now you can see yourself. Okay. This is how I have to film my videos. So sorry. That's just a drawing that I did. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna take this and put it there, and then take the drawing and put it there. And let's just see here. Does it reflect to the table yet? No, I'm not going to be able to use this, sorry. I'm going to... I guess I'm going to have to hold it. Okay, so I'm just getting the paper, and then let's do this. It's going to be a very good paper airplane. Trust me. So now I've got the paper. Pretty nice piece of paper here. Okay. Now I'm just taking it here to my desk. To the desk. So just fold it one time. Sorry, this is like such a bad thing, because I'm holding it with one hand. Wait, I can't show my face. That means I can do this. Oh, wrong side. Sorry, I get confused. Which side is the camera? Well, there you go. There's a piece of paper, as you can see. It's this way. Sorry, I should have done more setting up. Anyways, I'll just have to put you down every minute, okay? So I'm putting you down for the first time. Then I can fold it. So fold it in a long ways. all you have to do is take it, see that fold there? You must take that and fold it like that. And give you some time. Okay, now you see here, I have to put you down. Okay. Sorry. So, you see this here? This piece of paper has to get folded in like that. And copy that on both sides, so then it looks good. Okay, so it goes like that, and that. And then you fold it like that. Sorry, I have to put you down. Okay, I'm kind of getting angry there, so I have to put you down. So now, you see this. You fold this piece in like that and copy it on both sides. Okay, once you've done that, you fold the nose backwards. Backwards, I know it sounds weird. You're probably saying that it probably isn't going to fly anyway. So you fold it like that. So there is the actual like inside place where we were working. And you fold it like that. And you fold this back on the crease there. So you can do it like that. Okay, then simply just fold the wing to here, like just about here, to that edge there. You see how I did it? I folded it like that, just a teeny bit over that edge, and then you copy that on the other side, like that, just like so. Okay, now we have the main body. It's looking good. Now you just have to fold the sides, then we can take it. Just fold it a teeny bit inwards, and it'll fly really good. Trust me. I've made these things before, so I know what I'm doing here. That's too much. Sorry, I'm making my own mistakes, but that's fine. Yours is still gonna fly better. Probably. Okay, well that took a long time. They don't even look the same. Yours is definitely gonna fly better. Okay, well, tones all right. Sorry. Now, here it is. The actual paper airplane. The one and only paper airplane. Maybe I can name it. It's gonna fly good. Okay, so go outside in the glass. Check that it's flat. See that it's not flat. So now all you have to do is really just fix it. and then I'll be good. Now here's test. That was good, but we're against them. So now I'm gonna go with one. See, like this. Sorry, it's a dog actually. See that thing. These dogs are crying, man. Okay, so now we're just not blowing, and let's have a go. Yeah. Okay. Now we can upgrade it. So I'm just gonna do like a bird beak, and you don't have to do this, but I really wanted to show you how to do it without breaking your plane, because these planes can get delicate. That's definitely true. Take your orange, see, like I've got my orange Coke here, and then put it on. Perfect how it's like you hear the Cokie. Some videos you don't hear a Cokie and you miss out on all the fun. So I'm just adding the beak. So you draw a line. I'll show you where you have to draw a line now. Just finishing the other side. Okay. So you copy that on both sides. So just as you can see, I drew a line there, and then I just colored it in. Now on the other side, I did it also. You just draw a circle with the black there for an eye. So I'm gonna take my black. Is this black? No, it's green. Sorry, I just can't see it in this bad lighting. So, oh, there's my black. Okay, so you take your black, you draw a circle here, and then on both sides, draw a dot, whatever color you want, but I'm going to draw the dot green. And remember to copy it on both sides. I'm coloring in the whole dot green, just to add a cool effect to it. So now, there we go. There's the dot. There is the green there. And there's a circle there. There's the beak. Same thing on the outside. Green dot there, circle there, beak there. Okay, now that's about it. Bye, guys.